for any development to take place, the most crucial ingredient, as some of my friends were mentioning, is leadership. Today, India as well as Andhra Pradesh are fortunate to have very good leadership, and because of that, we are very confident that we will make substantial progress in a very short time in the IT sector as well. From what a little interaction we have had in the last few weeks with the Chief Minister, one thing is certain. He is taking a holistic view of the whole issue. There is no piecemeal consideration in his agenda. He has an idea on the development of the electronics industry. He is aware that we don't have electronic cluster sanctioned in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So that is something which is very much in his mind, and we are working on that. We will definitely be getting 1 or 2 electronic clusters also to our state. The second issue is regarding the HR issues. As some of our speakers were mentioning, we already have 300 and odd colleges, but then the quality of education needs improvement. So the government is also thinking of a skill mission on the lines of what has been done by the central government, and a substantial component of this skill mission will be related to the IT sector, so that the IT graduates can get gainfully employed. As most of you are aware, we already have several IIITs in our state, and the Government of India also will be sanctioning one IIIT to Visakhapatnam. We are also getting one IIM in Vizag and an IIT in Tirupati. These are all the things which are in the pipeline. They will all materialize very shortly. The other issue which one of the speakers was mentioning regarding the allotment of lands, this is an issue where I think no industrialist should get worried. Certainly, I can assure you that we will be providing land wherever you want to set up shop, and we can even make available the lands which are with us in various important locations, whether it's Vizag or Kakinada, Vijayawada or Tirupati. We will make it available. You can have a look at that, and then if you are interested in visiting these sites, we can even provide you escort services. You can have a look at that, and then if you like to choose a particular place, you can directly discuss with our officers, and I am always available personally. Then the other issue is regarding the land allotments. We want to revamp the entire policy of allotting land through the Andhra Pradesh Industrial Infrastructure Corporation. That is something on which we have started working in the last few days, and hopefully in the next 15 or 20 days time, we should be having a new policy in place for allotment of land. That is something which is very much on top of our agenda. Then of course there was there is an issue of one of our friends was mentioning about Arku being an ideal location for setting up data centers. Arku is falling in the scheduled area. We really do not know how far we can take advantage of setting up things in Arku. But yes, that's a good place. I think we need to market our the only hill station we have in Andhra Pradesh more effectively. And as far as Vizag is concerned, I think incidentally one of the speakers was mentioning that IT for oil and gas sector, IT for pharma sector, these are good verticals where there is a lot of potential. Incidentally, the Vizag Kakinada region is being developed as a petroleum and petrochemical corridor. We will be getting a very big project